Um, Ellarigu Namaskara. Just wanted to start off with something that happened at my place, my house this morning. I was doing the final edits of the speech before I could send it to Sanjay for quick review. And my 12-year-old daughter came and asked me, what are you doing? And I said, I'm quickly finishing up the speech. And she immediately said, don't make it long, people will get bored. So I'm here with very good advice, and I'll try and follow it to the best of my capability. Sorry? Smart kid. Good advice. Antaprerana, or the inner self-motivation spirit of entrepreneurs, is being celebrated today by TiE Bangalore. A very warm welcome to all of you to the celebration. Antaprerana derives its spirit from one of the stanzas of Brihadaranyaka Upanishads, which says, you are what your deep driving desire is. As your desire is, so is your will. As your will is, so is your deed. As your deed is, so is your destiny. TiE Bangalore, as you know, has been in existence since 1999. We have over 800 members and 100 charter members today. And we have come a long way since 1999. We have been witness to amazing growth of the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Bangalore. And we have indeed played a prominent role in furthering it. We have also strived to remain relevant to the core constituency, who is the entrepreneur. And we have accordingly conceived of various initiatives in addition to workshops, special interest groups, and networking program. TiE Entrepreneur Acceleration Program, or the TiE EAP, Kaun Banega Entrepreneur, Startup Festival are some of these key initiatives. And one of our recent success stories that everybody knows is Red Bus. But not all startups raise external funding, and not all startups become successful. Yet, it is the inner spirit that drives the person to pursue entrepreneurship against all odds. It is this inner spirit that needs encouragement and recognition, because without it, there will be no startups, let alone ecosystems. And thus was born the initiative Antaprerana. It's our goal at TiE Bangalore to develop these focused initiatives into marquee events, serving two kinds of ventures. One is very early stage ventures, where they're yet to get funding from a recognized VC or an angel group. And we help them in identifying, recognizing, and nurturing them into the ecosystem of incubators, accelerators, investors, customers, and partners. The second set of companies we want to look at is late stage ventures that are looking to grow nationally and internationally, where TiE chapters can be leveraged. Our plan is not to finish with events, but make the event the start of the journey. And Antaprerana is one such event that we want to run every year going forward. This process started with inviting companies with a vision and team, and which is not funded yet by a known entity. We got over 200 responses, and we shortlisted 48 companies. And for that, we had a panel of 8 jury members consisting of Sanjay Anandram, Tarun Hukku, Ravi Gurraj, Ravi Narayan, Madan Padki, Parag Dole, Vishnu, and Krishna. And they selected 21 companies. And one of the 21 companies already got acquired by the time we start, from the time we shortlisted to the time we doing this event, which I think is a great news for us, because it really validates what we are doing here. And we'll have 19 companies presenting today, because one of them could not make it because they are out of town. We will choose 10 companies, and we hope these 10 will inspire the next generation of entrepreneurs. TiE Bangalore will support the 10 chosen companies over the next 3 months through boot camps and mentoring and marketing support to help them in achieving their goals. We also will award rupees 50,000 for each of the 10 selected companies and distribute it as prize money. We understand it's not a great amount, but this is just to motivate, as a motivational prize. And all our programs that we do will be to ensure that these companies get sufficient funding and support. And for this, we're also actively partnering with all the ecosystem out in Bangalore, such as NASSCOM, US Stories, various accelerators such as Microsoft Accelerator and other incubators. Our goal is to play a significant role in ensuring Bangalore remains the startup capital of India. We are able to run these programs thanks to the contribution by our charter members and the tireless work by the TiE Bangalore Center, as well as the TiE Bangalore board that has been extremely supportive in ensuring the new direction that helps us in staying relevant. Before I end, I would like to thank today's eminent jury consisting of Mohandas Pai, Krishna Kumar, who will join us shortly, Dr. Ashish Gupta, Bharti Jacob, Ganesh, Arvind, and Dr. Mitha. We had Sadagopan, who was supposed to join us, Professor Sadagopan, but is not well and he is not able to join us today. TiE Bangalore is indeed privileged to have you all here as our jury, and we appreciate it greatly. I hope you all enjoy this new entrepreneur, and I wish all the teams the best of luck. And with this, would like to get the first team on the stage. Thank you.